Hello and thanks for joining me. Today is the 1st of April, so which means it's the start of the riding season, so I'm just checking over my bikes, making sure they are ready for what I hope will be a lot of miles this summer. So I've got my modern Triumph Bonneville Scrambler on this side, my old Triumph T140 on this side, and I've changed the oil in both bikes, the oil filters. I've also cleaned the air filters, checked the tyre pressures, and I'm just about to do one job which is quite frequently overlooked. And I think the reason it's overlooked is that it's not covered in many workshop manuals, and that is I'm going to change the blinker fluid, or rather put some new blinker fluid in the turn signals. The turn signals here. If you're American, we call them turn signals. In England, we call them turn indicators, or usually we just call them indicators, but it's the same thing. Both bikes have them. So why do you need to do this? Well, the blinker fluid here is what makes those turn signals flash. So if you've ever had a situation where your turn signal has stuck on, or more likely it just doesn't work at all, it's just not flashing at all, it's probably because your blinker fluid has dried up or gone bad and you need to change it. Now, a small bottle like this in the UK, it costs only about £10, and that is enough to do all 4 turn signals. It's a very simple job. You just need to flip off the lens cap, drain out the old blinker fluid. I tend to just wipe it out with a rag, and then you just put about 25 centilitres of blinker fluid into each turn signal, and you're good to go. The whole job takes 5-10 minutes, if that, and it just makes sure that your turn signals will be fully functioning and working well for the season. So what I recommend you do is get yourself down to your local bike shop or your bike dealer and ask them for a bottle of blinker fluid. Don't bother getting them to do it. It's such an easy job, you can do it yourself. Get a bottle of blinker fluid and come back and change that, and then you should be good for the season. So I hope you found that useful and helpful. Thanks a lot. See you again soon. Bye.